Okay, good day everyone. I'm Neil and Babasol from Miss ID1A, and I'm here to teach you how to make cat house super easy. First step to do, you need to prepare a cartoon and a t-shirt. First step, insert the cartoon inside your t-shirt. Then I'm sure if you have this cat house, your cat will never go outside. This. Like this form, like that. So the cat will go there. Okay. Second step. Roll the t-shirt and tie it like that, and insert the oh, now you have a cat house. Super easy. This is very good to your cat.
The cat. The cat will go there, and if you have this cat house, I'm sure your cat will never go outside, because you have to break like this so the cat will never go outside. Okay, that's all.